We are pleased to show you the 2018 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.